farm workers inside a container, all were rescued safely.
This isn't water. This is nature's warpath. A terrifying force has risen, a flood so intense, so powerful. It doesn't stop for anything. Clothes hanging on lines, torn away. Roadblocks meant to protect, pushed aside like toys. But that's just the beginning. Cars, gone. Trees, uprooted. This isn't a stream. It's a raging river of mud. A moving wall of chaos, carrying everything in its way. People stand helpless, shouting, crying, watching as their world is swallowed by this monster. The flood doesn't flow around obstacles. It eats them alive. It's not just water anymore. It's a mud ocean, a horrifying, unstoppable sea, turning cities into watery graves.
I am going. I can't stay here.
Minnesota, July 2024. A peaceful town, now drowning in silence. What was once a quiet neighborhood is now a terrifying water maze. Floodwaters have invaded homes, turning streets into rivers and alleys into canals. From above, it looks like a sinking city. Cars submerged, walls trembling, families trapped inside their homes. In many homes, water stands to feet high in living rooms. Furniture floating, memories lost, and in some places, entire cars are gone, completely swallowed by the rising current. The flood isn't slowing down. It's gaining speed, relentless, ruthless, and with every second, it pushes deeper into the heart of the city. Locals stand on rooftops, helplessly
floods across New Jersey
as
and New
nature
York.
takes over.
In Plainfield, raging waters swallowed cars on the streets.
That's where their cars are.
Now it's getting.
The divider,
My God.
it's busted down.
In July 2007,
July 2025,
China faced one of its most terrifying natural disasters, as a massive flood swallowed entire villages with unforgiving force. The flood waters surged into homes without warning, turning peaceful neighborhoods into rivers of destruction. Streets vanished under torrents of muddy water, and alleyways became channels of chaos. Cars were swept away like paper boats, crashing into trees and buildings as terrified residents watched helplessly. The walls of homes began to crack and collapse, while water levels inside houses reached to feet or more, drowning everything in their path. Some vehicles disappeared entirely, submerged beneath a brown, roaring sea that moved with terrifying speed and power. Rescue efforts struggled as the current overpowered even the strongest response teams. Bridges fell, roads crumbled. The entire infrastructure was ripped apart, leaving the city paralyzed under the weight of nature's fury. The landscape resembled a nightmare. Roads looked like oceans, and residential areas were nothing more than muddy lakes. Nothing could stop the flood. Everything in its path was dragged along. Wood, cars, even entire homes. As fear spread faster than the waters, it became clear this was not just a flood. It was a force beyond control, beyond mercy. And in its wake, it left only destruction, silence, and a haunting reminder of how fragile human life is before the rage of nature.
Yeah.
No hay nadie. No.